How to grow vegetables at home fast. Many of us dream of growing our own veggies at home, but sometimes our indoor plants just don't deliver. You might be facing sparse, weak growth and low yields. The problem isn't that you lack the passion, it's usually the basics. Choosing the right seeds, using proper soil, and giving your plants enough light. When these aren't dialed in, even the fastest growing veggies can fall short. Imagine waiting months only to end up with disappointing results. That's why I'm here, to show you a proven 3-step method that transforms your indoor garden into a thriving veggie patch, no matter how small your space. Step 1, start with the right seeds. First up, choose fast-growing, easy veggies. Radishes are my go-to. They're super quick, often ready to harvest in just 3 to 4 weeks. They're a great confidence booster for any beginner. Once you master your radishes, you can easily branch out to lettuce, spinach, or even baby carrots. Step 2, use loose, well-draining soil. Next, you've got to give your seeds a solid start. Use a lightweight, nutrient-rich seed starter mix that's well-draining. If your soil is too compact, the roots can't spread, and then your plants, well, they won't get the oxygen they need. I like to mix in a little bit of compost or some worm castings for that extra nutrient boost. It's like giving your seedlings a power-up right from the start. Step 3, keep them in bright, constant light. Light is your best friend. Even the best seeds and soil will underperform if they don't get enough light. Whether you've got a sunny windowsill or a basic LED grow light, aim for 12 to 16 hours of light daily. Keep the light about 2 to 4 inches above your plants and adjust it as they grow to prevent them from getting leggy. And remember this, consistency is key. Daily misting or a gentle bottom watering helps keep the soil just right, moist but never soggy. Here's a pro tip. If you can, rotate your containers every few days. This ensures every side of your plant gets equal light exposure so you don't end up with lopsided growth. Trust me, these small adjustments make a huge difference. Follow these 3 simple steps. Your indoor garden will go from meh to a powerhouse of flavor and nutrition. Ready to get started? Let's grow some veggies fast.